Hi, I'm John from Banana Baby, and in this video we are going to do an unboxing of the Edward & Co. Olive stroller. So let's get started. Oh, this one's already open. This one's open already for me. Okay. So I haven't opened this one before. No, come on. Okay, what have we got? We got that. Got that. It's nicely packed, by the way. Get the wheel. Bag. Wheels are in here. Don't know why they hot glue these two together. Oh, that's the bumper bar. What have we got here? I'm not sure what this is yet, but we'll find out. Okay. Oh, come on. Something is stuck in there. Here's the other front wheel. Okay, we got one front wheel, two front wheel, and these appears to be elevators. So let's put these aside first. I like to lay them out neatly so I know where they are. User guide. Let's see if we can do it without the user guide. Okay, there is the seat. Away. Now with all frames, there is a lock, so I just found the frame is locked, so we just unflick this part here. Flick, open up, fantastic. Now we can, okay, let's unbuckle this first. So just unbuckle, and I reckon in this box here is the back wheels. So let's open this one first. So you probably notice I go a lot more slower when it comes to playing with the knife. I reckon you shoot two. Back wheel. I got to throw the wheel. That was crazy. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, okay, so when you're putting the back wheels in, just note you can push this button, push the center. That's going to help it go in, okay? Also pushing the button helps it to go in and also to release it. So I'm just going to push it. That's nice. The other way. Okay, let's lay that down first. Front wheels. Now, one of the first things you'll notice about the front wheels, it's locked. There's a little thing here, just flick it up. Just flick it up, just in front of the wheel. Flick it up, and it moves, okay? Great, it's all moving, fantastic. Let's turn it this way so you guys can see. Okay, actually, it has, let's put the elevators on, because it looks pretty cool. So we got the elevator. Is this the elevator? The elevator goes the other direction for some reason. That's the elevator this way. Let's put the footrest. Let's pick it up first. Like that. We're going to put these up. And let's buckle this up. Okay, that's it. Now, oh yes. This thing, I think it's for the back. So, let's have a look. Most likely. Oh.
No, you can sleep. Sit something like. The only thing I have to make it work is this one. Mana. Yeah, like
That's it. So, that's a single done. Let's get the second seat.
না ওটা হবে ওই যে ওই পিছনে
Okay.
in the pen I can take
These are adapters for the back. So, from what I can see, when you're using it, this is like a footrest. But what we are going to do now is take this back out and then put the second seat on. Okay, so to take this out, earlier I felt the button on the side just in here. So I'm going to push this. So I'm going to turn it this way. So I turn this. No, I think that went up. There we go up. There we go up. Ouch. Just be careful. Press it and pull it. It goes in this way. So it doesn't go up or down, it just goes out. Okay? So let's do this. Again, pretty sure this would go in here. So in. It doesn't say which is left or right, but it's kind of obvious. The pretty side is always outside. The ones with the screws and everything is always on the inside. Like that. That's locked in. Second seat. Let's make sure the Airwood & Co logo is facing correctly. Like that. The canopy. We're going to do this. We are going to. Okay, with the canopy, notice there is a dot screw here, a rivet here, and another thing. So this canopy has to go into this hole. Okay. So let's do this first. Oh shit. Okay.
It's okay. You can't get up now.
There's not, okay, let me show you. The cheapest one,
Let's get put the top part in.
Not in baby shops, but I don't know whether they make it anymore. The cheapest one we have is side by side like that. You see? When you see these ones at the back, they need the bar.
Let's do that last. Okay, like this. Just goes in. Again, we do this. So we go in this way first, this front, and then flick it in. Now, I am having a little bit of trouble just with the canopy part. So what we can do here, I like to be really neat, so it's kind of annoying.
You ready to double? Which one you use that?
No, because that one is like too big.
Really hard to seal it.
Holding that.
Yeah, that one comes through.
Okay. Comes very well.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay, and that will go like that. And let's adjust the angle. Okay. So guys, this is the Edward & Co. Olive with the 2-seat setup. And that's the video for unboxing and assembling the Edward & Co. Olive. In our next video, I will show you all the features on how to open and close this fan. So, thank you for watching this video.